Yes guys, as you can see, welcome. Yeah, welcome to our next video. And that's how we are doing it, guys. So look, I cook some food in the sun there. This some pot, some set on. The peas are ready. Bro. See it? Yeah. I'll set on some round peas, guys. Wash them. Put it in a pot. Put a little bit of water on it. And put 2 nice big of garlic in it. So guys, you know, say red rice when I cook. Show you how I cook the meat. So I just show me a little bit of it. Because I want to cook what I have. You see it? We have in the fridge. The meat in the fridge, just step out and cook. Never buy nothing. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, I'm going to check on them now. Look. And guys, I packed over here now. Like that's how you see me, guys. Just hold it in me. You see it? Alright. So look. And them know well soft clean and come on, do. See? From them time they showing up now, that's about 15 to 20 minutes. You know, sure, about 20 minutes at the longest. So we'll leave it back for the next 20 more minutes. Let's see, look, I feel them, them will get soft to on them. But they will come on, so leave it back for 20 more minutes and see what I'm going, guys. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, respect. Right, so I'm going to chew some water already, so it can dry down now. I'm going to chew some more. So watch it. Again, the peas are still not soft, you know what I'm saying? Get the soft. See it? Yes, guys, so stay tuned for the episode. Yeah. Yes, guys, done this now. Please don't well, sir. You go and get swell, guys. Just get swell up and look. Red and nice. Like them pizza. My mother send them for me, so you don't know. Yeah. So whenever I show the peas bag, what kind of peas we use, but I don't Jamaica peas. Peas come from England. To look on it. throw in look more water in this and season up the pot and put on the rice. So stay tuned for that. Oh. Yes, yes, so the two in the pot that milk, no. So we throw some water from it. And we use a spoon and we will make sure it's stirred good. This. Stir everything like that. Them lump from there, make sure you get them out. Stir until it look like this. Yeah, I'm going to throw it. Just had eyes up. So, use the well for the liver. So, throwing the season now, guys. I'm scared I don't pepper all the time. I'm looking for artificial season. So, stay tuned. Yes, guys. So, the season, then I oil wash off. I put green slash bonnet pepper. Drop. Now I'm scared I don't have time. So stay tuned, guys. We'll put in the rice now. Yes, guys, so see the rice time here. So look. The coconut powder that and the butter on the top now, guys. Mix it out to it. Smell it. Yes, sure. Throw in the rice, right? Ricey. Miss Ricey. Yeah. I eat that now, guys. So, steam, I make it steam. Make sure you look about look around with a steam. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so we just have a look back on the pot. No? Oh. See it. So I turn the rice and look at it still. Like that, guys. That time, you know, turn it around proper. When I done turn it around proper, I'm going to show you the food. Look on it. Look at that, guys. Oh, smell it. Yeah guys, so again, next look back on it. So stay tuned guys. This is the real red rice. Yeah. Respect guys. You don't know more everybody to subscribe. I wanna subscribe yet, better subscribe because when we see a notification, say a new subscriber, I'm gonna give that person there some credit. So you know it go. If you watch it and subscribe it, just consider to do it. You know, if I see it, I'm gonna send them some credit. I'm gonna joke. Yeah. Yes, guys, so remember me telling you, say, I gotta dig up some things out of my fridge, some meat. So soon I come up with that, guys. Come up with some chicken neck and uncut chicken back. I did find some chicken put to our phone, but we make that stay for the next day. So you know, so I'm gonna cut up them cheesy upon it, is it? It's a onion, it's a garlic, it's a Irish, it's a carrot, we have a ripe pepper, we have thyme, we have scallion, we have curry. So you know, say a curry, we go curry it in a bag. You see me? So big respect guys. So stay tuned, we'll cut up them seasoning here now. So you can get to see what's going. Yes guys, so I'm going to cut up them here now. And the meat, see, cut them up. This is the rest of the season. Wash them off already. Just stay tuned. Yeah guys, so watch the process. Seasoning on it. Curry. Oh. Lift back some for burning in the pot. Yes guys, so I'm gonna put in me. I don't want to go bun my curry. So look what I'm going. Yeah, too much oil is it guys. Crazy curry. What are this? pack on the use it. Make that burn and throw it in like this. And then you know say you throw in the meat, doing the whole thing now guys. That's up something. Turbos then you don't want to throw in that. That's where in the water that guys. Yeah. Burn looking. Then we throw in the meat and that's it. Yes, throw in the meat now guys. One. Yes guys, so we are next look. Look. Real curry, you know? Let that work cook and chew on the seasoning. You see my guys? So stay tuned, guys. River Stream TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, friend. If you're new, you know, say, give me a subscribe, drop a like on the video, and big mistake. Yes, guys, see what it looks like. Yeah. Over earth, bro. Earth. I threw a little more water upon this one. See? A little more water upon this. Water upon it, guys. I'll leave that cook. And that in a process and cook the right way. Which way the season. To stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, I'm gonna throw in the season. No. Look. Look at that. Yeah. So beautiful. And look how it more water upon it, guys. I don't say when it down here, see it but go. So take a good look from now. See it? Yeah. So look when I see it but no. Yes guys, take a look. So good look. I don't need still now. Let it go and dry it out more. Just like a preview of it. Okay. Yeah. I know it's deep to come over inside. Just stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. In this now. One food look. Comment and tell me. Yeah. That's this. So we're going to taste it as always. Yeah. You see it tastes. Yes, guys, it tastes like I'm in a big restaurant I'm buying from. Nice, look. Rice just right, curry just right, everything. See? So see that guys, you know, you reach the end of the video. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, and see you again in our next video, guys. Big up, big up, big up.